by request, I have my entire fleet of Guilford locomotives on the layout. 11 locomotives. We'll start out with this one here being the lead one. This is an SD26, followed by an SD35, then GP40, then a U33C, another SD26. Gonna move the light. GP40 high nose 378 that I just acquired. I cut the footboards and removed the plow. Another SD26, GP40, another SD26, GP40 high nose, and last, another GE U33C. So this is the entire Guilford consist that I have right now. And it's not too often that you see the back track up there with hardly any cars on it. It's pretty cleared out. And I have a train made up in the yard. And we're gonna put these units to work. So let's do it. Okay, before we add the train on, let's do a quick run-by shot so you can get a nice view of the locomotives at basically eye level. Looks like I got dirty wheels on 619. These are all Atlas locomotives.